Welcome to Carolina Science Online. This tutorial presents how to prepare an assignment and send it to your students. First, log in to your Carolina Science Online account. After logging in, go to the Assignments section. In order to create your first assignment, click on the Create New Assignment option. You will be prompted to type the name of your new assignment. Fill in the information regarding your assignment. As you complete this information and scroll down the page, you will see the section where you can add resources, a file, or a link. Click Add Resources under the Resources section of the page. You will be taken to the page of activated resources that you can assign to your student. Check the boxes next to the resources you want to include in the assignment and click the Add to Assignment button. You will see a message that the resources have been added to your assignment and saved. You should now see the resources as a part of your assignment template. If you want to add a file or link to the assignment, under the Resources section of your assignment, click the plus sign and select the proper option. Next, follow the instructions on the screen to add a file or link. To select the students you want to complete this assignment, you should click on the Add Students option. You can search and select specific students, or click on your school name to view school group options that have been set up as your classes. Once you have selected the students or school groups that should have access to this assignment, click on the Add button. Another window will appear for you to confirm which students should be added to this assignment. Next, complete the schedule information as to when the assignment will start and end. Lastly, once the required fields have been completed, the Assign button will be activated. Click the Assign button. You will be asked whether or not you are ready to assign this assignment to the selected students. Once you click Yes, the progress of students can only be viewed from the Results section on the site. Now this assignment will just serve as an assignment template that can be assigned to other students or groups under the Assignment section of the site.